If you want to automatically assign roles to members in your Discord server, don't worry. A role bot can make server management much easier by allowing users to select their own roles, receive roles automatically when they join, or gain access to specific channels without requiring manual action from moderators. Whether you run a gaming server, study community, business server, or fan group, role bots can help organize members and improve the overall experience. The good news is that setting up a role bot in Discord is very simple. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to set up a role bot in Discord in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Discord and sign into your account. Make sure you have administrator permissions or the manage server permission in the Discord server where you want to install the bot. Without the necessary permissions, you will not be able to add or configure bots. Next, open your web browser and visit the website of a popular role bot. Many Discord servers use bots such as CarlBot, Reaction Roles, or other role management bots because they provide simple tools for assigning and managing roles automatically. On the bot's website, click Add to Discord button. Discord will open an authorization page asking which server you want to add the bot to. Select your server from the list and click Continue. Review the permissions requested by the bot and click Authorize. You may also need to complete a verification check to confirm that you are not a robot. Once authorization is complete, the bot will join your Discord server automatically. Now, return to your Discord server. Before configuring the bot, create the roles you want members to receive. Open Server Settings and select Roles. Click Create Role and give the role a name such as Gamer, Member, Notifications, Events, Announcements, or any category that fits your server. Customize the role color and permissions if necessary, then save your changes. Repeat the process for any additional roles you want users to choose from. Next, make sure the bot's role is positioned above the roles it needs to manage. Open Server Settings, select Roles, and drag the bot's role higher in the role list. If the bot's role is below another role, it may not have permission to assign it. Now create a channel where members can choose their roles. Many servers create a channel called Roles, Self-Roles, or Choose Roles. Inside that channel, send a message explaining which reactions or buttons correspond to each role. Depending on the bot you installed, you may need to use a setup command or configuration dashboard. Many modern role bots provide a web dashboard where you can create reaction roles or button roles without typing complex commands. Select the message members will interact with, choose the emoji or button, and link it to the appropriate Discord role. Save the configuration when finished. Once everything is set up, test the system yourself. Click the reaction or button associated with a role and verify that the role is assigned automatically. Remove the reaction or click again if you want to test role removal as well. Another useful tip is keeping role names clear and easy to understand. Members are more likely to use self-assigned roles when the purpose of each role is obvious. You should also avoid giving powerful administrative permissions through self-assigned roles unless absolutely necessary. If the bot is not assigning roles correctly, double-check that it has the required permissions and that its role is positioned above the roles it manages in the server hierarchy. So that's the easiest way to set up a role bot in Discord in 2026. The main steps are inviting the bot, creating server roles, positioning the bot correctly in the role hierarchy, configuring reaction or button roles, and testing the setup to ensure everything works properly. Most server owners can complete the entire process in just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials, server management tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.